Nikon D810. Upgrade technology. For stills photographers who want a dependable, powerful, flexible camera, it's difficult to beat the D810. It takes incredible shots, works with almost any Nikon lens from the past 50 years, and is fast enough for all but the most demanding news and sports work. It's a superb camera in every way, and one of the best Nikon DSLRs we've tested. If you're looking to step up your skills, the D810 should be on your radar. Of course, Nikon hasn't stopped there. The new D810 also features an improved Expeed processor and sensor, which translates into snappier all-around performance, 1080/60p video shooting, and an extended ISO range. Additionally, Nikon saw fit to include better battery performance and a higher resolution rear screen.